Hello, YouTubers, multimillionaires, future millionaires. Thanks for spending some time with me. I have a review for you guys today. This is going to be called Ministry of Freedom. And the freedom that this thing talks about, the financial freedom. So, for those of you guys that are losing your jobs and not making the money and looking to supplement your income, this is the best thing to do. And actually, a lot of people that this is actually the photo here. It's Jono Armstrong. He's the designer of the software. He's the vendor or whatever you want to call it. He's the it's his software basically. And what he does in the software, he makes it so simple that even full-time employees right now they could still do this and show results. Working part-time, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours a day. But anyway, if you guys read over here, the three-step process I use to generate 5-figure per month income using other people's product in 22 days. That's pretty fast. If you can generate 5-figure income in 22 days, that's a bold statement. But I have been following Jono for quite some time, and he's definitely spot on. He really knows. He teaches what he preach, or preaches what he teach, or whichever way. But yeah, you guys are gonna find him. You're gonna find this. One thing you can do with this is attend a free webinar and watch it, and you're gonna be very, very surprised. It's gonna show you, even if you're a total newbie, you've never done anything online. There's a testimony on this link that I'm gonna put below if you guys want to check it out. It'll take you to the free training, free webinar, and also it will show you the testimonies that people that took Jono on to and purchase his software, and they immediately start showing results. So I highly, highly recommend this, and you owe it to yourself at least to check out the free training. I have a short video that I'm going to show you guys here. I don't know if it's going to tell you much.
And then we have a whole section here all about launch jacking. Now this is one of the best ways and the easiest ways to make money online. So I'm showing you exactly what you need to do step by step to do this, how to make your bonus pages, how to get your link approved. And I'm actually getting all of my members, I'm getting their links approved because they're leveraging my authority. So I'm getting their links approved and I'm getting them review access so they can do this, right? And this is
just a quick short video. I just want to show you guys. He's very serious about his customers or students to succeed, that he's willing to share his knowledge for the past. I think he's been doing it since 1999 or somewhere around there, or maybe 90, I don't remember, but it's been quite some time. So he had built a huge audience. So just to ensure his students' success, he's willing to actually share his audience with his students. For those of you guys, may sound like too much right now, but basically it's done for you business. So you have to do a lot less, but you gain so much more because you have a good mentor like Juno backing you up. But anyway, he really guarantees his results, and he is very aware of all the fake gurus out there. There's a lot of garbage and junk out there, and that's what he's against. He really cares about people's success, because he said at one time he was, his exact word, left in the woods without nothing, just dying, because that's what these fake gurus do. They sell you these software or these training programs, and at the end of the day you're still like, they took my money and I didn't learn, it didn't help me with my online journey. So that's what he's very passionate about, really delivering value to his clients or his students or his customers, because he wants to see them succeed. And that's why you have so many testimonies on his page, because the success rate was so high that everybody's putting in a video and putting it on there because they want to celebrate their success. I don't have much to tell you guys beside this is it's a 3-step process. I'll just leave it to that. Remember, it's called Ministry of Freedom by Jono Armstrong. He's actually a British dude, but he lives in Malaysia. He's been there. He's been in Malaysia for quite some time, and he's making a go of it. So I've been following him for quite some time, and I definitely I give him 2 thumbs up. He means well, and he really has your best interest at heart. So he really wants you guys to succeed. So for those of you guys new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also take that bell icon, because I try to publish at least once or twice a week, or however many times I get, and to provide good content for you guys. So tick that bell icon, and if you have any comment, just leave it down below. And if you've gotten any value out of this video, please don't forget to share it. And most importantly, click the link in the description. It will take you to this free training, and you guys get to check it out for yourself. And I know you're going to fall in love with it. 3 steps to make 5 figures. That's incredible. In less than a month, guys. In less than a month. And at the time that we're in with the quarantine, being stuck at home, we all need a plan B. So this is your plan B. If you want to just be finished with the 9 to 5 and go on to being your own boss and live the lifestyle that you love, this is your option right here. Check out the free training. The link is going to be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next episode.